Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the CyberLink PowerDirector and what you can do when it consumes a lot of space. So I have recently found that the PowerDirector is consuming a lot of space, more and more, and my hard disk was getting full, and I started to find out where there's a lot of space being used, and I found this directory here. That's PowerDirector Output ShadowEditFiles. Maybe that's another path on your PC, but it will be somehow similar. And where's that coming from? I mean, by the way, here I have 45 gigabytes. There could be a little bit less, but could be even much more, of course. So that's coming from options here. On the PowerDirector, we have these things in the general settings. When you have this, made this a little bit smaller, you can see that here you have the general settings, and it's even on the first page, and there is some option enable shadow files on high resolution videos. So yeah, you can enable that and tell the PowerDirector to make copies. Probably it will be to make the editing faster. You can also say auto delete temporary files, but it looks like it didn't delete my files because I really have very old files. When we check that, you can see I've been using them last time in November 2019, half a year ago. It started when I installed probably the PowerDirector much longer ago, and it never deleted that. So there is a huge amount of files, and I have been checking on the support, and everybody says, yeah, okay, you can definitely now, when you're not using one of them anymore, I mean, yeah, when you are not editing videos which are using these video files anymore, you can definitely just mark them all and delete them, and you can get rid of a lot of space here. It won't have any negative impact. So yeah, maybe if you have been playing around with options, or maybe if you're still using these things, maybe it's a good idea to check on that. I mean, as long as you don't enable this again, I think it shouldn't fill up this directory anymore, and so it should be good. And I haven't found any difference in speed, so I don't think that I will ever need these things again. It's just eating a lot of space, not needed. So that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.